Baby's first year, complete guide for new moms, month by month. Welcome back to Healthy Baby Happy Mama. The first year of your baby's life is full of exciting milestones, but it can also feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll walk you through a complete month-by-month guide for your baby's first year, from newborn to 12 months. Let's get started. Month 1, adjusting to life with a newborn. Babies sleep most of the day, 16 to 18 hours. Focus on feeding every 2 to 3 hours. Bond with your baby through skin-to-skin contact. Don't worry if your baby cries often, it's normal communication. Month 2, smiles and interaction. Your baby starts to smile socially. Begin gentle tummy time. Respond to cooing and little sounds, it builds communication skills. Month 3, head control. Babies gain better neck strength. Continue tummy time daily. They recognize faces and voices. Month 4, rolling over. Babies may roll from tummy to back. Encourage play with safe toys. Start establishing a bedtime routine. Month 5, reaching and grabbing. Babies love to grab objects. Offer safe rattles or teething toys. They laugh and respond to playful interaction. Month 6, sitting and first solids. Some babies can sit with support. Time to introduce first solid foods like pureed fruits and veggies. Keep breastfeeding or formula as main nutrition. Month 7, exploring hands and mouth. Babies put everything in their mouth, it's how they explore. Baby-proof your home to keep it safe. Encourage safe playtime on the floor. Month 8, crawling and mobility. Many babies start crawling or scooting. Set up a safe play space. They love peekaboo and interactive games. Month 9, standing with support. Babies pull themselves up using furniture. Encourage with sturdy baby toys or safe standing play. They may say first sounds like mama or dada. Month 10, curiosity grows. Babies explore drawers, shelves, and everything in reach. Keep small objects out of sight. They understand no but may test boundaries. Month 11, cruising. Babies walk holding onto furniture. They love clapping, waving, and imitating sounds. Encourage with lots of praise and play. Month 12, first birthday milestone. Many babies take their first steps. They may say a few words. Encourage independence with simple activities like finger foods. Celebrate the journey, you've completed the first amazing year together. Your baby's first year is a beautiful journey filled with growth and discovery. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so don't worry if milestones happen a little earlier or later. Thank you for watching Healthy Baby Happy Mama. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other moms and parents. See you in the next one.